Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will make 5 meals really quick and easy. Now let's start. Olive oil for cooking. Diced onion. Green chili. Half green bell pepper, half red bell pepper. One tomato. Chipotle peppers. Half can tomato sauce. Salt. Little bit red chili. Garlic powder. Garlic salt. I'm using rotisserie chicken from Costco. I removed all the bones, skin and all fat I can. It's ready to process. Just add chicken. Mix. Chicken ready. We're gonna turn off the heat, wait for it to cool down, then we will put in trays. Our meal for 5 days ready. You can serve with the spinach rice or any kind of rice, or you can serve as a taco.